Hello, here Rakesh Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT. Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry. Previous lecture I have explained about the PBH relation and some examples. Now you will see the example of NCERT which is given. If angle B is equal to angle Q, angle B and angle Q are acute angle of a right triangle such that sin B is equal to sin Q. You want to prove angle B is equal to angle Q. It is given. First of all, we will draw a right triangle in which angle B and angle Q will be acute. Two right triangles you draw here because these two triangles are there and both will be acute. It means it is at C90 and it is at R90. There is a 2. By this, sin B and sin Q are given. First of all, you find out the sin B by Pandit Badri Prasad. It is P upon H. What is the P upon H? Perpendicular opposite side upon AC upon AB. And sin Q. Sin Q is equal to P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is P upon R upon PQ. But sin B is equal to sin Q, it is given. Therefore, at the place of sin B, you can write AC upon AB is equal to PR upon PQ, which you have already proved here. AC upon AB, same side, you can transpose it R by cross changing this denominator and numerator. AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ. Now one side of the first triangle upon first side of the second side upon second sides are equal. Let both are equal to K. That you write let it is, you are getting let it is K. So if one pair AC upon PR is equal to K, then what is the AC? K into PR. If AB upon PQ is equal to K, then AB is equal to K into PQ. That you are taking by your letting and equal ratios. Now AC and AB have, if BC upon QR will be also equal, then you can get the similarity criterion. So first of all, you take the right triangle in triangle ABC. Pythagoras we apply. Then we will get BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square, H square minus. So you will get BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. In triangle PQR, again by Pythagoras, you will get QR, which third side, two sides relation you have got already, third side you want. QR square is equal to PQ square minus PR square. Divide both, therefore BC square upon QR square is equal to AB square up minus AC square upon PQ square minus PR square. Put the value at the place of AC. What you can write? If it is equation number 1, then by first you can write K square PR square, K square PQ square minus K square into PR square upon PQ square minus PR square by equation number 1. That here I have put both the equation number 1. K square is common. It will be PQ square minus PR square in the numerator. Denominator also have same value. So both will be cancelled. Is equal to K square. What is BC square upon QR square is equal to K square. So BC upon QR will be also equal to K. And you have already got here, this is also equal to K. So compare these two, you are getting, therefore by these two, you are getting AB by PR is equal AB by PQ, AB by PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC by QR is equal to K. So you can get from here these three sides ratios are equal. It means both the triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by triple S similarity. By ABC similar to PQR by triple S similarity. So, angle B is equal to angle Q by CPST, corresponding part of the similar triangle, and it is your proved, hence proved. You can write this very important example and you have proved this. Like this, another example is given in the same last example of your book. In triangle OPQ, second example is written on the board, you can see. In triangle OPQ, angle P is 90 degree. Here angle P is 90 degree, it is given. Angle P is 90 degree and OP is equal to 7. One more thing is given, OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 given. If you take it is X, then OQ minus X is equal to 1. Therefore, let PQ is equal to X. Put the value at the place of PQ, you will get 1 plus X. So what are you getting it? 1 plus X. Now apply Pythagoras. OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. 1 plus X square is equal to 7 square plus X square. 1 square plus X square plus 2X is equal to, apply A plus B whole square. These two will be cancelled. 2x is equal to 49 minus 1, that is 48. Then what is x? 48 by 2, 24. You are getting the x is 24. Therefore, OP is equal to 24 centimeter. OP is equal to 1 plus x. 1 plus 24, that is OQ. It is OQ is equal to 1 plus x. What is x? 24. So 24 plus 1, 25 centimeter. And PQ is equal to x is equal to 24 centimeter. You are getting all the three sides, 24 and 25. What is your one question? Determine the value of sine Q. How will you get? Sine Q. Sine Q means P upon H. Perpendicular. For the sine Q, perpendicular will be opposite sides. You know what is OP. Upon hypotenuse will be OQ. What is the OP? OP is given 25. And what is the OQ given? OP is given 7. And what is the OQ given? 25. 7 upon 25. Sine Q is 7 upon 25. Cos Q. Cos Q base upon hypotenuse. Base for this angle, not this angle. This angle is there. So acute angle adjacent side is PQ. It is the base. PQ upon OQ, hypotenuse. PQ is 24 upon 25. So your answer is this. Two questions you have, two examples, very important, you have finished. And you will get the other questions which I have told you in the previous lecture. On the basis of that, you can solve the other example of the book. Next lecture I will explain the exercise questions. Exercise 8.1. Thanks for